Romania is the most biogeographically diverse country in Europe, and this alone makes it worth a visit. Its snow-capped mountains, Europe's largest delta, medieval cities, Dracula, and an amusement park and a salt mine. If you want to learn more, this is my travel guide to Romania. Romania is located in Eastern Europe, bordering the Black Sea and 5 other countries, with Moldova and Ukraine up to the north, Hungary to the northwest, Serbia out to the west, and Bulgaria to the south. It's Europe's 6th largest country by size. There are several international airports in Romania and many places where you can cross the border by car. The main 3 international airports to get you around the country are Bucharest Airport, Cluj-Napoca Airport, and Timișoara Airport. In Romania, they use Romanian leu. £1 is the equivalent of 5.41 Romanian leu. The average price of a pint is just over 5 Romanian leu. The official language in Romania is of course Romanian, which is spoken by around 90% of the population. The other main languages spoken are Hungarian and German. In Romanian, hello is salut, thank you is mulțumesc, and of course the most important phrase to know is cât costă o bere. Romania has a very efficient mass transportation system, as most Romanians don't have cars, so the best way to travel around the country is by train and bus networks. Have any of you been to Romania? If you have, comment below and tell us where your favourite place in Romania is. Romania is well known for many reasons, including the beautiful Carpathian Mountains, the world's 2nd largest administrative building, which is the Romanian Parliament, second only to the US Pentagon, beautiful castles, Dracula of course, brown bears, a tunnel of love, the Transfăgăraș Road, which is one of the main tourist attractions in Romania, was regarded by Jeremy Clarkson as the most beautiful world in the road, the best preserved delta in Europe, which is the Danube Delta, and so many more. I hope you've learned something new about travelling to Romania. If you want to learn more about why you should visit Romania, just remember to click that subscribe button. I will be unveiling the best kept secrets around the world that you don't see on all the travel guides. See you next week.